Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to use the fit to frame feature. So right here I have this famous Chinese viral song music video with subtitles. You guys know what song this is? Yes, this song. So let me go ahead and fast forward to. Alright, so here it is. Alright. So basically since I have the subtitles already synced in with the song, but I want to add new video sequences. So I'm going to delete all of these. All right. Okay, I just want to show you. Now all of those was 4K videos. Now I want to click and drag an older video featuring my dog Akira. Rest in peace, baby girl. I want to make a music video dedicated to her. And now you see that 4K and you have a 1080p, all right? So instead of having to delete all and to bring over and do all that complicated work, all you have to do is right click and say fit to frame. By the way, I'll do one better. Let me get rid of the 4K video, okay? And I'm gonna click and drag a 1080p right here. You see how that's like that? So I'm just going to simply right click and say fit to frame. So this tool recognizes the video resolution size and simply fits to frame. So that's simply how you use it. It's a very easy tool to use. And best of luck. Hope you guys enjoy this video.